Welcome back to Financial Literacy for You. Today we're going to learn about taxes. Now don't freak out. Taxes sound and even look extremely complicated, but in this short video we're going to teach you how to do them, what they are, and how, if you do them correctly, doing them yourself will save you lots of money.
First, you need to know what taxes actually are. So here's the real definition. Money demanded by government to help support public facilities and services. All taxes are portions of money that helps to keep the government running as smoothly as possible.
We receive many benefits from paying taxes like roads, libraries, schools, military, and police. There are many taxes, and some we don't even realize we pay. We pay income taxes, which is a portion of earnings paid to the government, excise taxes, which is a hidden tax that includes the tax in written price of whatever you're buying. This is mostly on things like gas or airline tickets. There's sales tax, which is money you pay as a percentage of the sale price. And there's also payroll tax. Employers and employees both pay half of this tax. And lastly, property tax. This is a tax on things that you own, like cars and land.
You pay income taxes on earned and unearned income. Earned income is money that you get from working a job. Unearned income is money you get from things like investments. Income taxes fund education, defense of the nation, and disaster relief. The more money you make, the higher percent of your income you will pay in taxes.
Payroll taxes pay for Social Security and Medicare. Social Security is income for retirees, people with profound disabilities, children who have lost a parent, a person with children who have experienced a death of a spouse. Medicare is healthcare for senior citizens. Payroll taxes are paid half by the employer and half by the employee. Property taxes are a percentage of your property's value, like the annual license fee you pay on your car. These fund schools.
Sales tax funds the expenses of state and local governments. And finally, excise tax funds state and local governments' expenses.
Taxes are so important because they can make or break you budget-wise if you're unprepared.
Now back to income taxes. Income taxes are due April 15th. If you can't meet the deadline, you can file for a 4-month extension, but the government could be very strict about the cutoff.
When you apply for and get a job, you fill out a W-4 form. This tells your employer the number of allowances you're claiming and how much income they should withhold for the IRS.
A W-2 form is a government form which shows a summary of your income and deductions from one employer for the calendar year.
There are 6 steps to break down filling out taxes, which will help it make it a lot easier. First, gather your documents. Second, use Form 1040 and numbered schedules as needed. Third, fill out the tax form. Fourth, reconcile. Fifth, sign Form 1040 on page 1. And finally, file your taxes.
You can find more information and tax help at the IRS website with tax preparation software and tax professionals. Now, audits. An audit is a detailed examination of your tax returns by the IRS. You have some rights during an audit. You have the right to request time to repair. You may also ask the IRS for clarification of items they are questioning.
There are a few tips to make audits more successful. 1. Be on time for the appointment. Bring only documents that are both relevant and consistent with the tax law. Answer the questions clearly and completely and briefly. Maintain a positive attitude. If you choose, your tax preparer, accountant, or lawyer may be present as well. As you move on with your life, preparing your taxes will become more complicated, and many people seek help with taxes. There are a few good and reliable sources to help. The IRS website at www.irs.gov allows you to download forms and obtain tax information and advice. There are also many books available at your local library or bookstore that give you how-to advice about tax planning and completing tax forms.
Personal finance magazines offer tax information as well. Your local IRS office offers the same services as the website. Tax preparation software is updated yearly to reflect changes in tax laws. Tax professionals can help you with your tax preparation, answer questions, and determine whether you're eligible for deductions and credit. Thanks for following us through this video, and make sure to check out forums in the website to learn more about taxes and financial literacy for you.